Welcome to the best picks. The best soldering iron stand is probably one of the most overlooked tools in the electronics hobbyist's arsenal, but a good one can significantly improve your workflow and workspace safety by providing a secure and convenient place to rest your hot soldering iron when not in use, preventing accidents and burns, and keeping your workspace organized and efficient. This video will help you find the perfect stand to fit your needs and budget, ensuring a safer and more productive soldering experience. Number 5. Fstop Lab's Third Hand. This innovative tool is a game-changer for soldering, crafting, and more. Its flexible arms and strong clamps give you the extra hands you need for precision work. It features 4 adjustable magnetic arms with 360-degree rotation. The alligator clamps hold your components firmly in place, no matter the project. The weighted steel base and anti-slip rubber feet ensure stability and protect your workspace from scratches. It's designed to stay put, even during intricate tasks. The stainless steel clamps rotate 360 degrees and lock securely with thumb nuts. This gives you complete control over the positioning of your work. From soldering circuit boards to crafting jewelry, it's the perfect helping hand for hobbyists and professionals alike. Use it for electronics, models, and more. We're confident you'll love it. That's why we offer a 30-day full satisfaction return policy with US-based customer support. What we like. It has multiple magnetic arms that can be adjusted to hold your components firmly. The weighted base ensures stability during your work, preventing any unwanted movements. If you need a sturdy and versatile helping hand for various projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The heavy metal plate stabilizes my work. The heavy-duty magnets anchor the flexible arms. Its adjustable arms and sturdy grips make it perfect for holding small items securely, allowing me to work with precision. The base plate is solid and powder-coated, maybe coated with something or painted, either way, nice and smooth, great fit and finish. Nice and heavy too. Each of the arms has smooth flexibility in the gooseneck and the magnets are strong. Number 4. MMOBIEL Helping Hand Magnifier. This innovative magnifier station is designed to make your work easier and more precise. It features adjustable arms and a bright LED light for optimal visibility. It boasts energy-saving, super bright LED lights. The flexible neck lets you position the lens exactly where you need it. 3 adjustable helping hands with alligator clips securely hold your workpiece. It's perfect for soldering, assembling, repairing, and crafting. Power it via the included USB cable or with 4 AAA batteries. It automatically switches to USB power when available. This station includes a clamp, alligator clips, an iron holder, and a tray for all your tools. It's your complete workspace solution. MMOBIEL is committed to exceeding your expectations. Experience the difference with our high-quality products. What we like. This one comes with an LED light and a magnifier, making it perfect for detailed work. The hands-free design allows you to focus on your task without holding the magnifier. If you need a well-lit and magnified workspace, this is the best choice for you. What people say. It is truly a step above from my other bag, if I could ask, workstation. The adjustments are very flexible. It has a very nice heavy base, making it stable, and the adjustments are very flexible. I use it all the time, for example, reading microprint on motherboards where adjustment of the magnifier with the built-in light makes it easy to see everything. Number 3. Iron Holder Stand. This high-quality soldering iron stand keeps your iron secure and readily accessible. The inner barrel provides a snug fit, while the outer coil protects you from accidental burns. It features a convenient sponge for cleaning your iron tip. The sponge is easily removable and replaceable, ensuring you always have a clean working surface. The coil design protects your hand from accidental contact with the hot iron. This added safety feature is essential for any soldering project. The cleaning sponge is easily removable and replaceable, making maintenance simple and convenient. Keep your iron tip clean and ready for use. It's compact and durable, measuring 3.5 by 6 by 5.5 inches. It's the perfect addition to any workbench or soldering station. Simply place your soldering iron in the holder after use. The secure design keeps it stable and prevents accidents. What we like. It's a simple yet effective soldering iron holder. The design securely holds your iron and protects your hand from accidental burns. If you are looking for a basic, cost-effective solution, this is a great option. What people say. It works, probably will for a good long time. The metal base allowed me to use a magnet to hold the product in place. Despite its light weight, this stand is stable and the hot iron is secured. The black base and chrome spiral are made of steel. Number 2. MMOBIEL Adjustable PCB Holder. This innovative tool is designed to make your circuit board work easier and more efficient. Its sturdy construction and adjustable design ensure stability and precision. It features a solid metal base with a scratch-resistant black coating for a heavy, steady base. For soft rubber pads provide maximum grip on any surface. The lightweight plastic sides glide smoothly over the steel base, allowing for easy width adjustments. This makes positioning your circuit board a breeze. It has spring-loaded clamps with 4 different openings to securely hold your breadboard. The strong spring allows for easy adjustments. This handy tool rotates a full 360 degrees, giving you complete access to both sides of your circuit board. No more awkward angles. The clamps are made of first-grade fire-resistant ceramic, ensuring durability and safety. It's built to withstand the heat of soldering. With a total length of 30 cm, a maximum opening width of 20 cm, and a height of 12.5 cm, it can accommodate circuit boards up to 20 by 14 cm. Join our satisfied customers and discover the difference MMOBIEL quality makes. We're dedicated to exceeding your expectations. What we like. This PCB holder offers 360-degree rotation for easy access to your circuit board. Its adjustable design and stable base ensure that your board is securely held during soldering. If you are working on circuit boards, this is a must-have. What people say. Rotating function is nice, and holds firm enough unless you apply a lot of pressure on upper or lower edges of board. Weighty and includes non-slip feet, so it does not get pushed around when working. A must for circuit board work. Holds board securely and provides access to all sides. Unit is well built and heavy enough for large PCBs. Had a little trouble initially getting the circuit board secured and stable. Trial and error took care of that problem. I would definitely recommend it. Number 1. Hakko FH-300 with 599B. This is the Hakko FH-300 soldering iron stand, designed for stability and convenience. It keeps your soldering iron readily accessible and safely stored. Its sturdy construction ensures your iron stays put, preventing accidents and damage. You'll appreciate the peace of mind it provides. This includes the 599B sponge holder, perfectly integrated with the stand. It keeps your sponge conveniently placed for quick cleaning. It's incredibly simple to use, just place your soldering iron in the stand. The design is intuitive and requires no special instructions. It's a must-have for any soldering station, providing a safe and organized workspace. It improves efficiency and reduces the risk of burns. It's made from durable, high-quality materials built to last. This ensures it will be a reliable part of your workspace for years to come. What we like. It is made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. The stand is designed to securely hold your soldering iron. If you value quality and dependability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's very sturdy, with a heavy non-slip base, so I don't have to worry about safety. My work process from tinning to cleaning to soldering is smooth and easy. The copper cleaning sponge works way better than a flat sponge, in my opinion. Base is sturdy and heavy. Looks like it does in the picture. Even though my pencil sits loosely, it fits secure and I feel the end is safely covered. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.